Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you change the age on Webtoon app. Make sure you are installing the app on your phone. And the first step is check your internet connection. Make sure your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, your app will might be not work properly. So turn your Wi-Fi off for a few seconds. Then again, use the switch to mobile data. If that is not working, turn on your airplane mode for a few seconds. Then off again. After doing that, the second step is open the Webtoon app and tap on profile and go to setting and tap on setting, and here you can view your account details. And the other step is contact support. If the age is incorrect, you need to contact Webtoon support. On open the help center, and you will need to scroll down until you reach the help setting, and here you will see the many options like notice, help, term of use, privacy policy, open social license, and app version. And then you click on help. Open a help center. Inside the app, a submit request explaining the issues. And the last step is creating an account. If support cannot change it, the first option may be creating a new account with the correct birth date. And that's how you fix or change your age on Webtoon. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you.